Good. Morning, Divergence traders. A little tough to trade today. I sure as hell hope you got it on your charts on the 1 minute, because if you try and trade the 2 or the 5, woo-wee. Oh, I brought the wrong fucking chart in here. Jesus. Let's bring this one in. There, that looks a little better. Yeah. That looks a little better. Okay. I'll show you what happened today. From 9:30, look at this. I thought it was just going to keep doing this for like a half an hour, something like that. It's retarded. But it did go up. It did break out. And down here, when the price was down here, going up and down, that's when I put this gray line on the chart. Okay? Not that it's any big deal, but look, see how they came back and bought off there? You see how this time they smacked it down and they took out all the, liquidity sweep or lick sweep or whatever the fuck you want to call it. I call it going after the fucking, the stops. But come on now, you can't use stops. You use little 10-tick stops or point stops, it's going to get you. It's going to get your ass, I don't use stops. I don't use take profits because they limit the amount of money you can make. So many of you that I watch, you're trading with your little 10-tick, 10-pip, 10-point stop, and your 10-point take profit. It's like, come on, man. Do you not realize? Sorry, I'm giving you shit here today, even though you don't know who the fuck I'm referring to. But it's like, come on, man. If you're one of these guys who uses these little fucking take profits and little stop, don't you think it needs much more room than that to fluctuate? That's why it comes back, or you move your stop to break even. That's why it comes back and it hits your stop. Because you fucking moved it up to break even. Break even is where you got in. So sure, it's going to come back and get you. You know what I mean? It's just the way it works. And not only that, these guys who trade like this, they'll like buy in the middle here, something like that, and their 10-tick stops right there and their 10-tick take profits up there. It comes back, hits the stop, then goes to their target. That's what fucking happens over and over and over again. You fidget with the fucking stop and the take profit, you're going to be in trouble. But you really need to know where, the ideal place where you need to put your fucking stop. Most people don't know that. I teach you that here, all for free. Yes. If you're going to buy in here, your stop needs to go somewhere down here. And then you take your profit. Then you see right here, higher highs. If you sell in here, okay, you need to put your stop up here. And you take your profit. Okay? It's the same thing up here. You always put your stop loss, if you're going to use your stop loss or a mental stop loss, it can exceed where where you're mentally thinking where to put the stop and come get you. Okay? But if you're buying, you need to put it near the swing low. Okay, right in here. If you're buying in here, put it at the swing low. I did this trade, by the way. I did this one too, higher highs. I'll show you in a sec. And I'll show you how I follow the market all the way up and down and around. Why do I do that? That's how I stay on top of it and I see where the trade is right here, right now. No, don't put a fucking limit order somewhere down here and expect the price to come down to it, fill it, and then go up. Oh, those traders are making big mistakes when they do that. Doesn't, not always, but a lot of times. But anyway, what I'm raffling off about here today is these little stops, and they're not in the correct place, and la-dee-da. Okay, let's cover these setups here, okay? Okay, right here. All right, we got lower lows. See on the indicator? A lower whatever. And that was the divergence right there like that. See that little trend right there? And then whammo. No, that was 930. I'm sorry. That's 930. They rammed it down. Then they took it back up. And then they went into this sidewinder fucking shit right here. Now, oh, don't grab that. Let me show you. Now, this is kind of difficult, but you could see right here, you could see this bottoming action. I call this bottoming action. Look, see up here? I'll tell you how I bought up here even, and I still made money. But I had some losers today. There's for sure I did. Like, I'm not gonna sit and say, oh, I did 18 trades today, and not one of them was a loser. No, that's not me, man. I have losers, and then I have more and more winners to make up for the losers, and then make the profit, right? So anyway, let me finish drawing this. It's right here. Boom. So you would have got long somewhere in here. I got long somewhere right here. And that was right at resistance. But I seen how powerful it was that they were pushing it up. I said, okay, and zing right up here, and I took my profit, and that was it. And then, now, we're looking at the higher highs, and I'm going, okay, I'm waiting for the sell to happen, right? Here's the divergence, right here. Just like that. And then we got to put our little arrow on there. You think I got in right there? Oh, I wish I did. I got in somewhere, I don't know, in here somewhere. After this shit right here, I was like, I wanted to make sure, and making sure, you know what happened? The first, I think I lost on this one. Yeah, I got out here, and then I bought in here, and oh yeah, of course I made it all up. And I got it, I got out up here, took my profit, and then thought, okay, maybe we're going to fucking run, right? Because it didn't run really anywhere down here. So I'm thinking, are we going to fucking push up today? Through here? Come on, you little bitch, go, right? No, didn't go. Now, I didn't even consider this a trade, but I'll mark it on here for you. Because there is a trade. It's a double top, even though it doesn't look too pretty, okay? But if you come all the way down here, there's the top of that one, and right there, look, there's the top. There it is. Coming down. See what is sold in here? Yes. See, and then it came all the way down here. I got short down here, believe it or not. And then it did this fucking shit, and I lost on this trade too. See? I'm going back with all the trades now. So I lost. I got out. I got out right here somewhere. Or here. No, it was right here. I got out right here. I said, okay, fuck you. You're doing your little bottoming action right here. I fucking see it. Okay? And then you take this up like this. Whichever one it goes to, that one maybe. Okay, here's the line here, that gray line I put when the price was here. I put that gray line here. Look at how it bounced off that fucking gray line. And I seen that, and I go, oh, you little fucker. And I seen the divergence, and I went, okay. And I got out of my short right here. You know, really, I should have caught it from up here, but I didn't. I don't know what I was doing. I was clicking on something else or something. Then all of a sudden I go look, I go back and I go look, and whammo, down they fucking went with it, right? But the worst whammo was this one. Woo-wee. And I'm going to tell you a story again. You might not believe me, but hey, it is what it is, right? Hold on. My mouth's getting dry. Holy fuck. I need some water. Okay. We could call this a low and lower low also. See how I'm like doing all these little fine, intricate, you know, putting my line, you know, like on these little candles. These are 1 minute candles, ladies and gentlemen. You see how the market's changed now since Trump got in and started tweeting and stuff and doing shit? Yeah, signing like 400 executive orders, like 400 of them. I watched when Biden signed his fucking executive orders. He did 20 of them that I could count. 20. And fucking Trump did at least 400. You know why? Because that's how much fucking corruption and shit of money getting sent here, money getting sent there, and all these contractors that come in and do this and come in and do that and overcharging. You know, you see, they showed this one politician that I saw yesterday. This fucking guy, I'm not kidding you. He never had a fucking job in his life. He never, it's in his record of his tax records. He never worked one fucking hour of his life. And this fucking politician has got $81 million in his bank account. How did you make that? Did you write a book like Obama? I don't fucking think so. I don't even know the fucking politician's name. Because, like, I'm not into it that much. I'm a Canadian, you know? But, yeah, that's the kind of shit that's been going on in the States. Anyway, back to this. So, this was the buy right here, okay? So, I bought somewhere in here, and I took my profit, and then I thought, oh, it's probably going to go up now, right? So, stupid me buys up here. I'm not kidding you. Just like yesterday, within 3 to 5 seconds, boom, down it goes. But I got out of the fucking trade. And once I saw that, I go, okay, that's it. I'm stopping for the day now. I'm fucking done with this for today, right? I make 200 fucking points, you know, on the MNQ. That's what I'm talking about. I made 200 points, ticks, whatever. I said, that's a fucking enough for me. That's enough. Enough is enough. So I stopped. But anyway, do you see how I followed it, the price? I followed it. I'm here right now, okay? Down it goes, up it goes. I follow it like as if I'm on a highway and I'm cruising down. Oh, we're going to go up the hill now. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, we're going to go down the hill now. Oh, back up the hill. And fast down the roller coaster there. Right? And then right back up again. 60-70% of that moved down in 1 fucking minute. Yeah, I said, oh yeah, I'm fucking done with it today. I don't know what Trump said today, but he made this sucker fucking fall like a motherfucker. So that's how I trade and win, guys. I'm always watching the current. Like right now, if I was trading, I'd be totally concentrating on this area and where the price is right here and right now. Am I going to buy now or am I going to sell now? You got to be right there, right here, right fucking now. If you're not, if you're going to fucking, if the price is here And you're going to assume to think, oh, the price is going to come back here, and then I'm going to buy it, or I'm going to sell it, or whatever the fuck you're going to do, like, you know, 40, 80 fucking points away, you're looking for trouble, because who knows what it's going to do if it gets up here. You can't assume to think it's going to get up here and have your buy limit orders or your buy stops. This is what kills traders. Anyway, that's why I make profit every day. Sometimes I lose at first. And like today, what was I up? I was up 40. And then I went from 40 to minus 90 something points. And then I took that minus 90 to 207 plus. You know, winning points? Yes. Because I trade the right here and right fucking now. That's why. That's the only reason I can do it. And that's why my two moving averages are very close together. Because I want to see what price does when it gets above them, below them, in the middle of them. Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. I just rambled on today. But it's all good. You can learn from what I just told you. I've been trading too fucking long, people. 25 fucking years almost. 25 years. Oh my God. Almost 25 years. This coming May, the first week in May of 25, it will be 24 years. I've been at this fucking shit. Okay. Look at this. Is this a head and shoulders or what? Here's the left shoulder, here's the right shoulder, and here's the fucking big head right here. And they slammed it down, and they slammed it down again. Now they're just chopping upwards. Oh, yeah. Okay. So that's it for the setups on the Ninja Trader. Let's now look at this motherfucker. This sucker's gonna roll over and play dead, man. This is XRP. It was awesome when they bought the dip back up and it closed up here. It was awesome. It was awesome. It's bullish. It's bullish. Now, it's not bullish anymore. They're rolling it down, getting a better price, and they're going to take it up. The question is, where are they going to take it to? Are they going to take it to $2 and buy off there again? Right underneath this wick? That's what they do. They always come back and they get you. Yeah. Or are they going to take it lower? They can't fucking, well, they can, but I'm hoping they won't take it back to fucking 58 cents or 50 cents. That's going to be so horrible, man. But you got to hold on, right? Got to hodl. Hodl, hodl, hodl. That's it. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to the NASDAQ here. And what do we see in the NASDAQ? Nothing. Don't fucking see nothing. Well, we can count this as lower lows, but this little orange doodad is about the same as this one. I don't know. Let's stretch it out and see. Yeah, they're about the same size. We'll just call it a guess. Hey, a guess. That's what I've been noticing too. There is so many traders. I don't see them trading any strategy, like or them explaining that they're gonna, do some kind of strategy. They're just buying and selling whenever they feel like it. It's all guessing. It looks like guessing to me. Like I show you on the screen every day. I show you my setups. Setups are a strategy. I don't fucking see their setups for the most of the time. Other than flying knives and falling knives. That's the only fucking strategy I ever see. And to be honest with you, I do not consider catching a fucking knife, falling knife, a strategy. It was something in my time of trading, early time of trading. I was taught by so many different people, don't fucking catch knives. You're gonna get hurt. And they were right. And I learned not to fucking trade them. But the market has changed so much now. It goes up and right fucking back down. Or it goes down and right back fucking up. That's what's happening. So this knife strategy, it actually works for some of them. But in all in the most part, what I see is either guessing or dumbass luck. These guys make the money and then they get the payout, from the prop firm. That's what it's all about. If they blow up 3 accounts and then make the big payouts on 1 or 2, or 1 even. If they blow 3 accounts, say they lose $150, $200, let's just say, and then they get a payout for fucking $3,000, they're making money. Their expenses of the blown accounts are nothing compared to the payout. Do you see what I'm saying? That's what they're doing, these guys. Yeah, they're doing a numbers game. That's what they're doing. And these prop firms, they know it too. They fucking know that's happening. They know it. What can they do about it? Rely on the 90 plus losers that pay them the money that they make profit. That's what they do. Okay, there's the divergence, I guess. I don't know. It's not the best, but it is divergent, and you would have got long in there. And it went up 60. S&P. Crazy, I'm silent. I'm giving my brain a rest or whatever a rest. Talking too much, too fast. Sorry about that. Oh, 100. No, not 100. 11 points. I always get mixed up with that S&P. So it went up 16 points there today. Okay, and then we had a high and a higher high. Oh. Right here. This is when, divergence just stands out at you. You got a big mountain and a tiny little mountain or foothill, you see? With this, oh, you just know it. You just know it's divergent and it's going to work. You know what I mean? Boom, sell, down we go. And look at how they came back up. Your stop was right there. Can you see why your stop needs to be at the swing high even though it's fucking big? Okay, you got short right here. Stop was 61 points. Came back up 50 points. But if you would have held on to it, there's your 60 points right there. You see it? Now you do. I'm sure you do. Okay? And after that, oh. Okay, the phone was ringing. I had to answer the call. Getting a package delivered. Okay. Pretty funny place, man. I ordered these soles, for your feet to go walking. They're called Acu Solo or something. I don't know. They're from China or somewhere. Anyway, you buy it and they say, oh, yeah, okay. And then they try and upsell you 10 fucking times. This company tried to upsell me. And I wrote them a letter back and saying, stop trying to upsell me, you fucking assholes. And I called them fucking assholes too. And then they keep sending emails every day to order more shit. And I said, holy fuck, I had enough of this. And I unsubscribed from their fucking list. And here it is today. Oh, that's right. They sent another email saying, oh, your package is going to come soon. Because this other email they sent before that, they said it's going to take 18 to 25 days. 25 days. Why 25 days? Because it's coming from China. They're drop shipping. So anyway, I got pissed off and I unsubscribed. Once I saw that, you know, it's going to take 18 days, I unsubscribed. Oh, this guy's fucking